MAC HVAC Service and Repair is the best HVAC company Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, has to offer because our reputation is built on trust, quality workmanship, and consistent results. As a locally owned and operated MAC HVAC Service and Repair serving Drexel Hill and the surrounding areas of Pennsylvania, we are committed to delivering dependable, full-service solutions for heating, cooling, and complete HVAC care. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. What services does an HVAC company provide? An HVAC company provides comprehensive services that support the comfort, safety, efficiency, and performance of your indoor environment, and at MAC HVAC Service and Repair, we deliver complete solutions for heating, ventilation, and HVAC systems for homes and businesses. Our services include professional air conditioning installation, air conditioning repair service, HVAC system repair, furnace repair service, heating system installation, cooling system upgrades, refrigeration services, and full HVAC system maintenance. How can I lower my heating and cooling bills? Lowering your heating and cooling bills starts with improving efficiency, system performance, and energy management, and at MAC HVAC Service and Repair, we help homeowners and businesses achieve real savings through smart, long-term solutions. We focus on preventative HVAC system repair, routine maintenance, and full system inspections to ensure your heating and cooling equipment operates at peak efficiency. What is your service area? Our MAC HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Windham, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.